Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up TinyTask for Anime Vanguard. First, download and install TinyTask from its official website. Once installed, open Anime Vanguard and go to the specific area where you want to automate tasks. Before recording, take a moment to adjust TinyTask settings, like playback speed and recording hotkeys, to ensure everything runs smoothly for your automation needs. Now, let's record your actions. Click the red Record button in TinyTask to start capturing your mouse movements and keyboard inputs. Carefully perform the exact sequence of actions you want to automate within Anime Vanguard. This could be clicking through menus or selecting specific items. Once you've completed the sequence, click the Record button again to stop the recording. After recording, it's time to test your macro. Click the play button in TinyTask to see your recorded actions in motion. If it's not perfect, you can adjust the playback speed or set it to loop multiple times. Once you are satisfied with the automation, remember to save your TinyTask macro. This allows you to easily load and use it again whenever you need it for Anime Vanguard. For more advanced control, explore TinyTask's hotkey options for quick recording and playback without clicking. You can also edit individual recorded actions to fine-tune your macro, ensuring maximum precision and efficiency for your Anime Vanguard tasks. This helps correct any small errors or optimize timings. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life with smart features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.